coming in on that story that we were tracking, which you just saw. An FIR has been registered against 11 individuals, including Reddy Ramulu at the Bruce Pete police station in Ballari. The case was registered based on a complaint filed by Chanal Shekhar, an aide of MLA Nara Bharat Reddy. In his complaint, Chanal Shekhar alleged that the accused used abusive language, brandished deadly weapons, and attempted to murder him. Following the complaint, the police have booked 11 accused under relevant sections. Those named in the FIR include a couple of names such as Sriram Mulu, we see Somashekhar Reddy, Janardhan Reddy. These are some names which are mentioned there in that FIR. Further investigation is underway as we speak. So, 11 accused booked for murder attempt. Viewers, getting you these updates coming in on Republic TV. We can see that there were tensions escalating in Ballari. Clash broke out in Ballari, viewers. And we see that Janardhan Reddy has also been named in that FIR. Just once again getting you the latest update that we're getting for Republic TV. Janardhan Reddy has been booked in the violence case. We see that there was a clash in Ballari city and it turned violent yesterday, resulting in the death of one person. And we see that the police have imposed very strong security measures on the spot in the area, and they had to resort to lathi charge to control the situation now. Now we see that there are more updates coming in terms of what is happening on Republic TV. We are seeing Janardhan Reddy has been booked in that violence case. All right, let's go straight to Abhishek, who's joining us. Abhishek is joining us on the phone line. Abhishek, if you could help our viewers understand what exactly is happening, because we see some allegations and counter-allegations which have emerged from the clashes which broke out. Yes, Abhishek.
Shivang, it was the late hours of the January 1st when the supporters of Gali Janardhan Reddy and Nara Bharat Reddy started pelting stones at each other when the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy tried to install a banner or a flex in front of BJP's Janardhan Reddy, which belonged to, the flex was about Valmiki Swamiji's installation or the installation of Murti or an idol of Valmiki Swamiji. Nara Bharat Reddy has mentioned in the press note or a media by stating that it was Janardhan Reddy supporters who broke out the fight, who actually started attacking the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy when they tried to install a banner. On the other hand, the contrary note from the Janardhan Reddy is that Nara Bharat Reddy supporters tried to pelt stones at him, and also Janardhan Reddy claims that the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy tried to kill him, and also he shows a bullet which passed by him, which shot the car of his, and he also mentions that the police will make sure that they will find out the person or the gun from where the bullet came out, and he is very clear that it was Nara Bharat Reddy supporters who tried to kill Janardhan Reddy. On the other hand, a person who was present there during the altercation, Rajashekar, has bred this last in the last night's fight, and also we have been informed that his mother is unaware if he is alive or not at this point of time. Dr. G. Parmeshwara, the Home Minister of the state, has collected all the details of the incident through a phone line from the DG IGP and the range IGP of that particular region, is what we have been told as of now. But we are also expecting a press meet by both of these leaders at around 10:30 in the morning at two different places. The allegations continue that Janardhan Reddy, being a senior leader, didn't allow the supporters of Valmiki Samudaya to install a banner right at his residence. On the other hand, Nara Bharat Reddy has mentioned that it was Janardhan Reddy who created a political chaos in Ballari, and it wasn't the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy. So this is a political battle.
Reddy who created a political chaos in Ballari, and it wasn't the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy. So this is a political battle, and among which we have seen at least 400 to 500 people who had assembled in front of Janardhan Reddy's house, pelting of stones, and various other physical fights were very clearly seen, after which the police tried to ease down the situation by firing some of the rounds in the air. And also, some of the supporters of the politicians have also fired some of the rounds in the air, and this is when a person has breathed his last, is what we have been informed. So we are waiting for much more updates from the SP of that region. The SP, Vartika Katiyar, has already reached out to various other places, and she is getting the data from various other means, and she is probably going to arrest some of the persons right away in the next couple of hours, Shivangi.
That's right. And you know, the police is investigating. You're saying the police is investigating, and of course, further action will be taken on the findings when the police understands what really happened. But just help our viewers understand, Abhishek, what really led to these two groups clashing? Was there any kind of history from before? Yes, Abhishek.
Basically, it is mentioned that the leaders, the particular leader, Nara Bharat Reddy, who's the MLA, his followers tried to install a banner right in front of Janardhan Reddy's residence at around 8:30 or 9 in the morning, when the security at Gali Janardhan Reddy's house mentioned that no such banners will have to be installed in front of Janardhan Reddy's house without the permission of Janardhan Reddy. After which, on the same day in the evening at around 8:30 or 9 in the evening, the same supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy, who had visited Janardhan Reddy's house in the morning to install the banners, were back at the same place to install the banners, and there was a heated argument between the security of Janardhan Reddy and the supporters of Nara Bharat Reddy, after which it is believed that the security slapped one of the persons from the Nara Bharat Reddy's team, after which a fight broke out between the security and the people who were there to install the banner. After which the supporters of Janardhan Reddy, who were present very much at the location, started a human or a fist fight, is what we have been told. At that point of time, when a fight broke out between both of these teams, Janardhan Reddy wasn't present at his location. He, as he claims, was on the way to his residence with Sri Ramulu, and that is when the entire mob tried to attack him with stone and also the gunfire, is what he has told. So we will have to see how this unfolds in the next couple of hours. Shivangi, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Abhishek, for getting us all those details.